Revising for the GCSEs can seem kind of daunting, particularly when you're asked to create something on the spot. So, we decided, as the English department, to challenge our Year 11 students in creating a story. In their exam, they have to, for their imaginative writing, create a story. But what if they had to create that story for a group of Year 2s? Make a story that would engage, that the language would be good for the Year 2s, and also that they would pay attention for the duration of the story. As parents, and even the students now know, keeping their attention is something difficult. So, this was a task that they took with gusto, and I'm sure that they enjoyed, and the results were fantastic.
Said the beaver. Suddenly, Bob the beaver was washed away by the river. The rain and lightning didn't help, so Bob started to yell. There was no answer, and when there was no hope, his friends threw him a rope. He was saved! Hooray! They all exclaimed. Now we can help you with your dam so you don't have to be sad, they sang. As they worked together, the dam was better than ever.
I'm here with two of my lovely Year 11s, Gina and Noah, who are going to tell us a little bit about their experience reading. So, Gina, could you tell us, what did you actually have to do?
Well, we were asked to make short stories for our kids to help them learn special lessons while entertaining them.
Good, and Noah, how does this actually relate to the GCSE?
We get to understand especially the audience that we have to write about, and it helps us have a little bit more knowledge about different text types.
Good, and Gina, back to you. How did you find the experience of reading to Year 2s?
I found that it was very different because each Year 2 has a different reading level, but it was quite fun and entertaining to see how they reacted to the different stories and the special things that we taught them.
Good, and Noah, is there anything you learned in particular from this experience?
How vocabulary especially needs to be varied depending on the audience.
Well, there you have it. We're going to make this a yearly thing, and I'd like to thank Noah and Gina and the rest of Year 11 going down to Year 2 and Year 2 for being a wonderful audience.